everyone, my name is Katerina and today we're going to be talking about Home Office sponsor licenses, how to apply for a Home Office sponsor license and how to prepare for a Home Office compliance check. Now, a Home Office compliance check can happen at any time. This can happen pre-license, so this can happen at the point where you're applying for a license and you're awaiting a decision on this license, but it can also happen in the duration of the Home Office sponsor license itself, so for the duration that you're sponsoring migrant workers. So there are a couple of mandatory documents that you're required to provide to the Home Office as part of your application, but we would also recommend adding further documentation that confirms your ability to be able to sponsor migrant workers and hold a Home Office sponsor license. So the further documentation that the Home Office would expect to see would be information concerning your employees, so that includes their personal information, their contracts of employment, if applicable, any information relating to their the type of work that they undertake, so the duties that they undertake as workers. They also want to look at the information you're providing for your skilled worker. So someone who's applying for a skilled worker visa, they would need a certificate of sponsorship to be assigned to them, and for that you would need a standard occupation classification code. So that would confirm the types of duties that the sponsored worker would be undertaking for the company. So you need to ensure that the code is correct that you're picking for your sponsored worker, and ensuring that their duties align with the types of duties that are confirmed within that standard occupation code. Other information that they want to see is your HR policies and procedures, how you manage your workers, not just your sponsored workers, but also settled and British nationals that are working for you. And information relating to right to work checks. So for example, if you have people with limited right to work in the UK, they also want to look at information on how you complete those further checks on them. So there's a lot of information that you do need to provide to the Home Office as part of a sponsor license application. And if you ever have any queries about applying for a license or any kind of compliance once you do hold a Home Office sponsor license, please don't hesitate to contact us at Latitude Law.